The Aussie versus US dollar switched from being more bearish to more bullish in trading here today. I'll explain why in this video, so let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart, these two lines represent the moving averages. The green line represents a 200-hour moving average and the blue line represents a 100-hour moving average. And the Asian Pacific and the early European session, the price was below those levels, but the low price came down to the low of this swing area. The swing area is defined by some swing lows and swing highs going back to these points right here. It was a point of reflection, deflection, either higher or lower in this area, and more recently in trading yesterday we came down to that area not once, not twice, but 3 times. And in trading here today we came down to the low of that swing area once again and found support buyers. That ended up taking the price back above the 100 and 200-hour moving average as the buyers took back more control, and they switched the bias from more negative below this level to more positive above this level. In the process, we moved above a swing area here, but has so far been able to stay below these high prices through here at the 0.65239 level. You can see that we had a high price or high swing highs there, and again here on Tuesday's trade. So getting above this level at 0.65239 is going to be the next key target in the new trading day. If we get above that level, then we're going to start to look toward the 100-day moving average. The level comes in at 0.65338. If I were to go to the daily chart, you can see that the price action has been mostly above the 100-day moving average going back to this point right here. You can see all these lines. This is the only time where the price, other than more recently, where the price fell below the 100-day moving average. The other times we found support against that level, support here, and then we fell below it earlier. So if the price were to get back above that 100-day moving average, that would be more positive from the daily chart perspective, and could kickstart the price even higher from this level. Going back to the hourly chart, if we do fail to get above this swing level at 0.65239, we're going to need to get back below the 100 and 200-hour moving average. So that's pretty obvious to increase the bearish bias and have traders looking back toward the downside again. So that's my technical look at the Aussie versus US dollars. It switches from more bearish earlier today to more bullish as we end the day. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.